Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install Docker on Fedora 34. Docker is an operating system virtualization technology that enables packages of files to be packaged as containers. The fundamental principle of cloud computing is that containerized applications run on any infrastructure regardless of its provider. Now I am going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install plugins package by using the following command. Package already installed, and then I'm going to add a repository by using the following command. Press enter. Repository added, and then I'm going to run the macag command by using the following command. And then I'm going to install Docker by using the following command. Press Y to continue. Installation completed, and then I'm going to start Docker services by using the following command. And then I'm going to enable Docker. And then I'm going to check the status. It's running. And then I'm going to check the Docker package is working or not by using the following command. Press enter. Docker is successfully running. With this process of installing Docker on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.